This is our Model 100A. It's an adaptation vacuum that hooks up to an existing drill, whether it's the Supra 35 that you see here on the table or something else. On the right-hand side of the gray canister is the power cord. It plugs directly into the wall. The white box is the Supra 35. Its power cord plugs into the left-hand socket of the Model 100A, as you see there. The hose from the vacuum unit then runs to the sheath on the handpiece. The sheath is the white item installed on the front end of the handpiece. And the hose itself is tied to the cord of the drill. That's also plugged into the control box, the Supra 35 weight control box.